What makes for a great recording engineer? Is it having ears like a cat? Finding the greatest act in the world? Being a marketing genius? Maybe it's all of those things, or just bits of them, and the ability to keep your ears open for interesting sounds that will make for an exciting recording. Hugh Padgham is a recording engineer within a small pantheon of great record producers. He in fact stands out, even in that illustrious crowd, because he was responsible for the signature drum sound which permeated most of the 1980s. The sound effect itself was in fact an accident, but one that Hugh turned into pure gold. The story goes something like this. While engineers Hugh Padgham and Steve Lillywhite were working on a Peter Gabriel song with Phil Collins, Steve hit the talkback button on the console to speak to Collins in the recording studio. At that very moment, Phil was just noodling around on the drums, and the most interesting drum sound came into the mix room. This was caused mostly by the compression on the reverse talkback on that particular console. Not one to miss a serendipitous moment, Hugh decided to feed that sound back into the console and record it. What Hugh Padgham got was the legendary gated drum sound. This effect is most famously heard on Phil Collins' tune, In the Air Tonight. This sound was new. This sound was big. This sound was crunchy. For roughly the next 10 years, that sound was emulated by virtually every act that wanted to be a serious contender in the pop rock genre. Though there are many great engineers and producers, only a handful have given us a standard that permeated an entire genre for years afterwards. For that alone, Hugh Padgham has earned his seat in a very exclusive club of fantastic recording engineers. But I've been waiting for this moment for all